Planning to travel on public transport and want to know how busy your service could be on a specific day and time? Check out our Service Capacity Tracker, a forecast tool that shows you detailed information about the expected space available before you travel. It's easy to use and can help you make informed travel choices. Follow these 4 simple steps. Step 1. Select your mode of travel. Step 2. Choose your bus route, train line, or ferry service. Step 3. Pick your direction of travel. Step 4. Select the stop or the station from the drop-down box, or use the new interactive map to choose where you want to board your service. The results will display and tell you how much space is expected to be available when you board. Hover over a day and time and more information will display. Adjusting your travel time by as little as 15 minutes means you could travel on a service with more available space. Go to translink.com.au and start using the Service Capacity Tracker today.